Hi, good morning. This is Krishna Rajesh. I'm a third year BSc Biotechnology student from Amrita School of Biotechnology. So currently I'm doing an internship under Dr.Dayana in Pushpagiri Research Center. So today I would like to share my experience about this internship. So I had the opportunity to complete my internship at Pushpagiri Research Center, which is a pharmaceutical research setup that provides a well-structured and supportive learning environment. So this experience helped me understand how theoretical concepts are effectively translated into practical laboratory work. So during my internship, I gained hands-on experience in the basic pharmacology and pharmaceutical chemistry laboratory techniques. I was also involved in the preparation of various pharmaceutical formulations such as herbal concoctions, ointments, mouthwashes, etc. So through these activities, I learned the analytical methods, proper laboratory procedures, and the importance of maintaining accurate laboratory records. I was also exposed to evaluation techniques such as disintegration and dissolution studies, which helped me understand drug release and effectiveness. Emphasis was placed on the safety practices, precision, and following standard laboratory protocols, which strengthened my practical understanding and discipline in laboratory work. So I was also introduced to a different dosage forms and administrative methods. Observing devices such as insulin pens, electroconvulsometer, actophotometer, etc. helped me understand their practical relevance and application in healthcare settings. So one of the most informative experiences during this internship was the visit to the animal house. So it was under the guidance of Dr. Ambari. So this visit helped me understand the role of experimental pharmacology models in research along with ethical guidance that must be followed during the animal studies. So learning about proper animal care, hygiene and other controlled environments gave me valuable insight into the responsibility involved in the preclinical research. In addition to the laboratory work, I also participated in model preparation and video-based activities. So these tasks helped me enhance my understanding and improve my communication and presentation skills. So throughout this internship, I demonstrated and developed commitment, dedication and enthusiasm towards learning. The continuous guidance and support I received during this journey helped me or encouraged me to actively participate and gain confidence in handling laboratory tasks. Overall, this internship was meaningful and enriching experience. It strengthened my interest in pharmaceutical research field and provided a strong foundation for my future academic and professional journey. I am very grateful to Reverend Dr. Matthew Myron and Pushpagiri Research Center for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and thankful to my mentor Dr. Dayana for her guidance and support throughout this journey. So thank you.